Hi there, this is Nikita, and what I've got on a bench today are a couple of supplies we need for this thing, because, well, this one came out of the storage units and it's a little bit, well, wonky and dry. It's a little bit rough textured and we're going to restore it. Ooh, what we've got here, can you guess it? Well, leave a comment. And well, we've got the sanding paper, we've got some gloves, we've got a nice sponge, and we've got beeswax and paraffin liquidum. Paraffin liquidum in 2 mixing ratios. So 1:4 by weight and 1:6 by weight, and the 1:6 is still a little bit liquid, which is handy because, well, this wood is basically deteriorating. For one reason, it's dry, bone dry as they say, and that's why it's also wonky, because there's no space here. So I'm going to fix this one up and put it in the front yard, because it's much nicer than the one that's there. As you could remember, that one is a little bit rotten, and this one is just, well, with a little bit of care, perfect for there. So let's get started. And here we have the bench seat and a pile of used sanding paper. Yeah, a little piece left, and every time you spot something you want to redo. But it's done, at least the sanding. Next part is, of course, adding that stuff right there. But first we need to dust it properly and then continue on with although repair, refurbishment, and restoration. Wonderful. So, and that looks quite nice and spiffy, so I'll detach you from the tripod and we'll take a look, because that is what beeswax. Let's see, can I get a proper shot? Yeah, that is what beeswax does. Especially when combined with a cutting agent like, well, what I used. So, paraffin, liquidum. So this is Nikita Net, and we're going to reassemble the bench and tighten it up, and that's good. Still need to make a replacement piece for that one, but I don't have, right, for this one, but I don't have a properly sized piece of wood, nor can I cut one readily enough without damaging anything, which is the difficult part. That looks quite spiffy and nice. Let's lock it in and tighten it up. Right, so this is Nikita Net saying I'm really happy with this thing. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Really happy, really happy. Looks fantastic.